guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to do a vlog, and Kai's hearing things right now. So yeah, today
we've been hearing weird noises.
What the? Was it in here?
No, it came from the bathroom. I'm not
checking it out. It's dark in here.
Dude, it's not from here.
Well, there's nothing in there. Oh, there's something.
There's something coming from the bathroom.
What's going? I'm moving it.
Wow, you guys are messy.
Sorry.
And that's just a toilet there.
Yeah.
So
You
you're
can't
not
hide
really
there.
anything.
Oh yeah.
That's kind of strange. Well, I mean, to be fair, we have been hearing things around the house.
Alright, so I need you to go like investigate with
Okay,
that one, and then I will investigate with this one. Oh my gosh, I just heard something. Like,
Okay.
I need. Tell me if you find anything.
Got it.
Did you find anything yet?
I heard a noise come from Ben's room, but let me go investigate.
So there's a noise in Ben's room. Okay, I'm coming.
Not under the bed.
Not in the closet. I don't know.
Bro!
Sam, where's your walkie?
Right here. What?
Whoa. Like, what?
Bro! Oh no.
Bro, keep your walkie on you.
I am. It's right here. It's on the
That came from my room.
I don't need this walkie. Let's do this.
Came from my room, you know. What the heck? What was that? Okay, Sam. Anyone comes near me, watch this.
Ah! You failed.
I know.
Ha ha ha.
Okay, come on. Be my dad. Let's check the bathroom.
I'm checking over here. Yeah.
Sam? Came from in there.
Double pita.
That was not just there. We were just in here. Here, keep this on you. I got the blue one. No, turn off.
Guys hearing things, I think. So yeah. She's hearing a lot of things, and she's kind of weird. So I know this is like
You
weird.
realize
Yeah, I know she's right there. Ah.
I'm right here and he's talking to her.
I'm on a film of trick shot video, 'cause I'm awesome like that. Okay.
Oh! I woke up this way.
There's. Okay, people. We need the owl.
Wonderful.
The basketball.
I love hearing that noise.
Where's the basketball?
I need the owl.
We need the owl factor of today. Trick shots of the video. This is the trick shot video.
Sam, watch this.
This will be a okay ball to use. We're good. Wow. Sure, every.
Okay. I heard something from here. I literally just put the chair up.
Okay. I'm filming a trick
Hey,
shot
Sam,
video.
watch this.
Oh my gosh, I will make it.
Let's go.
What did you just do?
Watch. This is literally what I did. I went like this. Watch. Sam. Sam, watch. Here we go.
Kelly!
What?
I would like you to come put this on the top of the come here. I want you to put it on the top of that so I can film chit-chat video.
Oh, okay. Hi, guys. It's me. Okay. You guys are going to have to stare at a bunch of blah. So, let me bid you all adieu. And watch me swoosh. Hey. Okay, fine. Thought you had to go to the bathroom. Apparently, bathroom breaks take 3 seconds.
Yeah, go.
Okay.
Yay!
Is that good enough?
Yeah, that's... I have to be balanced. Okay, I got this. Wait, that was horrible. Okay, I grabbed the camera and actually put it on the ball so it can like... I got this.
Let's watch the net. We're ready.
No! Whoa!
Whoa.
What the poop cakes?
I don't know where it's coming. Oh, I don't know where it's coming from. Ben's gone, so I don't know. And we don't have anybody else here
Yeah.
except for our parents.
Here's
But obviously,
picked up, I guess. He likes these, so like he kept them when he picked them up. So yeah, we don't know.
no,
Why did you throw that?
nobody touched it.
What?
I'll be back. Let me go in.
Find the minion is responsible for this.
Nobody in your room. That thing just turns on.
I want to go to bed. So yeah, I'm going to bed. Yeah, it's so late at night. The sun is out. So yeah, it's so late. I am just gonna go to bed. Bye guys, and
Bro,
see you in the next video. Like and
Tell them what we're gonna
subscribe.
do. Tell them what we're gonna do. Tell them what we're gonna do.